Having already done my foundation routine, I'm starting with applying NYX's Jumbo Pencil in Milk as a base for my eyeshadow, and then blending it out with my fingertips, and then moving on to curl my eyelashes. Starting by blending a matte yellow shadow on the inner third of my eye, and then moving on to continue blending with a bright matte orange shade, and then finally using a matte purple shade to blend out the outer corner into a wing shape. Then taking a deep matte raspberry eyeshadow to define and deepen the outer corners. And then moving to heavily smudge a matte hot pink eyeshadow under the lower lash line. Using a concealer or a small detail brush, carve out the entire lid. This will be so that we can place a shimmering eyeshadow there in a moment. Using a flat brush, I'm packing a shimmering light gold eyeshadow all over the lid space that I carved out. And then going back to that purple from before to help fade the gold into the purple outer corner. And then using a brassy gold eyeshadow as my inner corner highlight colour. Then I move on to highlight under my brow bone with a soft golden highlighting powder. I'm lining my eyes with a felt tip eyeliner, using my eyeshadow as a guide to draw a dramatic wing. And also slightly bringing that liner under the lower lash line. And then applying black mascara to the top and bottom lashes. I'm using a softy pink coral blush and placing it on the apples of the cheeks and then blending upwards towards the temples. And then heavily highlighting the high points of my face with that same soft golden highlighting powder from before. And then finishing off the look with a nude lip gloss.